I told y'all that I would start vlogging this weekend, and because I don't know why I'm acting lost, but because the weekend technically starts when you leave work, here's to my first video. I'm on my way to the corner of Healthy and Happy to go get some cash. So let me tell y'all, normally like if I go out and 9 times out of 10 I grab some snacks before I go in the house, and so if I stop, I'll get my younger cousin some caramel M&Ms. He is like obsessed with them, kind of like how I am with coconut water. So I'll always grab him at least 2 packs, and most of the time they be like, or a lot of the times they be like buy one get one free or buy one get one half off, right? And that's just like the regular bag. But today they actually had like the Big Daddy, this size, and they was buy 2 for $5 or $4, something like that. So he's gonna be like super sized when I bring him these 2 bags. And so surprise!
My nigga.
You hype or no?
Yeah, I'm actually like real hype. I'm lucky holding this shit in because you got me on video. Yeah, I'm hype. I'm hella hype. I'm not gonna lie. My nigga.
Yo, I was like, they never have the big bag in caramel, and I was like, let me go look, cause I just wouldn't feel right. So see, I be knowing. Hey, Rachel.
Hey, yoga shirts match my yoga pants.
Oh, I need that shirt.
Now, if you're not going to use your strap, you can go ahead and bend your left knee. Hold on to the foot or the ankle. Now, one side you may not be as balanced. You may not be, it's really interesting how that works. One side you may be able to hold this, and the other side may be more challenging. Okay, Maxie, you got it. And then, as much as you're able to bar your shoulder stuff, you just press the shoulder back, and then bring your gaze to the left. Good, very nice, good. And just keep walking your hands down. Same thing, Jackie, just keep walking your hands down and press your shoulders back. And then, Jackie and Britt, if it feels good, let your head fall back slightly. Very good. Last few moments in this space to feel the sensations in your body, to bring awareness to your breath, and to feel and notice the benefits of your practice. Letting yourself receive whatever it is that you need with every breath in that you take, and letting yourself release that which doesn't serve you every breath out. Taking a moment to tell yourself thank you I love you, and I trust you. Let's together find one more deep breath in, and exhale it out through the mouth. The light in me honors the light in each of you. Thank you so much for joining, and namaste.
Namaste. I really knew better. Pulling up to the car wash on a freaking Saturday. I knew better. I did. But no. I'm still at the car wash. I had a taste for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, so I walked over to Subway to see if they could accommodate my needs, and they said that they don't make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I have a question. Do y'all make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? Oh, okay. What can I do? So, I got a turkey sandwich instead. I'm mad hungry and I'm ready to go, and it's hot as shit. I'm going to a Coachella themed day party today, and I have no idea what I'm gonna put on, and I have no idea how my hair is gonna look because my hair has looked like some shit for a very long time, and I don't want this legacy to continue past the next couple of hours. So it's just where I'm at right now. Here's my sandwich. That's not peanut butter and jelly, but we'll just have to do. Shall we? You ready to go or no?
I gotta put my lipstick on.
I was gonna put mine on in the car.
After.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, that's one. Okay. Let's go. How you get lipstick on your teeth?
I don't know.
You act like you been eating.
I'm just thirsty.
You want some coconut water?
I don't drink that shit.
I go out there coconut. I'm ready to get a pineapple juice when we get inside, if we ever get inside. Come on, we can ask them if I can get underneath that umbrella.
Okay.
Ready? Let's do this.
Turn that off.
Oh, bye y'all.
Beat up, them bitches getting beat up. Slim waist, ass fat, bad. Should've stayed on my bad bitch. Too big, you done the makeup. Color breeze, cornbread, and they gon' back. Get it from my mama, and you don't know where your daddy at. Knick-knack, body wet, give a dog a bone. Put it on him, with them nigga, you better fuck your phone. Like a boy, I'm a 10, she a George. Suck a hoe, on your board. Run out the pink Lamborghini, it's just a race with China. With a race with China, just a
Miss No She.
Yeah.
No She better don't.
We're on our way for sushi and perhaps cute little cocktails.
Yes, I hope they got chocolate martinis. Hello. That's what I love. Chocolate martinis is such a gay drink. Okay, and I love it.
Oh my god.
Love everything about it.
Move.
Move.
Hello. Good. Is there room on the roof? Yes. Thank you. Robert, the restroom will be right here to your right.
Hey, girl.
Your restroom will be right here. When you come out, just keep on coming up.
Did I say I have to go to the bathroom?
Go up? Yeah.
Alright.
Well, hey, maybe I should go. Maybe you should wait.
Okay, I'll wait. Wait, you wait. Perhaps you should
Maybe
wait.
I should wait.
Right, exactly.
Hi.
Do you know? I'm just right.
How's your great grandmother?
Who are you talking to?
Whoever will see this.
Okay. Okay, girl.
Yeah, okay.
All right, well,
I mean, we're waiting for the bathroom.
I'm hungry. Shit, I can't wait. I'm so excited. I can't wait. This food will be so good.
Is this the only bathroom?
I guess it's just those two. We're at Nushi in Southeast DC. And that's all I got to say. Your turn. What we choosing to?
It's my birthday.
To your birthday! In 5 days.
I'll be 31 on the 31st. Awesome.
Cheers!
Why you recording me, bitch? The fuck? Look, and you going back to the bathroom.
No, I'm not going to get out.
Oh, it's okay.
Yo.
I'm drunk.
What'd you say? How what?
I'm drunk.
Oh, okay.
You
Drunk? Hi, drunk.
Oh,
Damn, bitch.
oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's oop, 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 oop,
Chill, chill.
Yeah, should.
I'm fucked up.
But you cute.
Yeah, puffy.
It's okay.
I like your sneakers.
Thank you. Oh.
Where you going? Where you going, shit? Bye. Thank you so much. Oh, I forgot my food. On second thought.
For this sexy motherfucker. What the fuck? Make some noise for David McIntosh. Bitch, what is your workout plan? I need a bigger back. I need a bigger back. Did she just throw that shirt back in? Bitch, give it here. Just sign it.
Wait, there is not a Royal Farms in DC.
At all?
I don't know where one is, like on the way to the house, but
Well,
not in DC. They got like, they don't even have Wawa. Wawa is in like PG County.
But if you don't know where it's one, there's
My
not
feet
one.
hurt. Yeah, you're right, cause I know everything.
Yeah.
I be knowing everything. I know one thing. My fucking feet hurt.
Yeah, my feet hurt a little bit.
All right, that's
She
enough.
was
Stop
for the
telling
small
people my
bubbles.
business, bitch. Damn. They were cute too. I don't know what they were doing,
They
but
was in it. They was living for me. That's what they was doing, bitch.
my bad. I should have let it happen a little bit longer.
He gave, ooh.
Ooh.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Let me see your nipple.
Stop.
This our street? Oh, we gotta go to, no, because it's a gas station.
How am I get home? I ain't got no money, man.
Oh my God. He said how I'm gonna get home. I ain't got no money.
It's not cool. Why would you come here if you didn't have no money?
Come on, bitch, you know my too. Is this Paul car? Oh, he got the BMW. Because you know Paul be fucking flexing.
Yeah, BMW.
Oh.
He had the two-seater.
With the doors go up.
Oh, okay. You already know. Wait.
I can't wait to put on my Nike slides. I'm gonna be honest. I'm ready to get a coconut water from out of here.
There's no coconut water in here.
Oh, yes it is. I'm gonna find it.
Did you go in here?
No.
Nobody even sell coconut water.
Yes, they do.
Oh.
You want more?
Bitch, I don't know if it's coconut water or fish water. What's going on?
Thanks. It is mad raunchy around here.
Yeah. It's mad seafoody.
We're not even by the water.
Huh?
We're not even by the water. So we're at Checkers for Robbie because, like, of course I'm not gonna eat this. Robert is not doing too well. I may just end up paying for his meal. I just want to go home. It's 3:29 in the morning. I haven't been up this late since I was like 27. Robert. Robert. Rob, you want your food? You gotta pay because I can't reach them. Rob.
What that say about your character?
Rob.
I'm sorry.
Rob.
Your physical.
You have to pay because I can't reach them. I can't reach the window. Alright. So Robert was too inebriated to retrieve his meal. So I had to reach over to pay and grab his shit. Because this is where he's at. But I'm eating these fries to compensate myself. I'm just going to have him spend the night because I refuse to have him drive home like that. Not on my watch. These fries good as shit though. This say no turn on red. I'm gonna turn left anyway. Okay. Listen, I'm not as young as I was. That partying all day, going out shit, it's just not for my body. Netflix and coconut water is for my body. It's been raining all crazy all day. And I figure if I'm gonna be stranded in the house, I should be stranded in the house with sweet potato pie and coconut water. So I'm going to Whole Foods. It's just a little water. I mean, it is severe flooding in certain areas, but not at Whole Foods. At least I hope not. Oh God, that would be terrible. And that might not have been the best idea to go to Whole Foods. Considering that Whole Foods is like 20 minutes away from my house. But I mean, I'm out here now. So I'm going through with it. If you were wondering, Whole Foods is in fact not flooded. It's alive and doing well.